mamwe mamare horo matura-ini. Ndereti ya kwareria kubwo gwa kamiti ya uiguano gutanywo gutengemanio bunge-ini muthenya wa rucio. Mundu umwe kurathwo na ungi kunika guoko ndugamano-ini ya ikari ya gwato na murugame mihango
matikana muthike atia giteri kana kibia makauga ciothe
na family imwe mwena wa Mwangi Gatundu ya muhuro kurega guthika umwe wao makiuga ni mekunyitwo ni kirumi.
Na nĩ ngatho mũno macio makĩrĩ o matemo marĩa tũgũkorwo tũgĩkũnengereria ihinda rĩtarĩ kũnene hamwe na mangĩ marĩa tũgũthagathagĩire hwaĩ-inĩ ũyũ. Rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Kimani wa Ngũnjiri na nĩ tũgũkorwo tũgĩkũnengereria riboti ici, na tũkwambĩrĩria na ihenya rĩa kũrĩa Boston Marathon kũrĩa Evans Chebet niwe wahota kũhotana ihenya rĩa Boston Marathon mwena wa arume umuthi na ihinda rĩa mathaa merĩ ndagĩka 5 na ndagĩka na sekondi 54. O rĩngĩ Evans Chebet niwe wahota ihenya rĩa marathon Boston Marathon mwena wa arume akĩhota na ihinda rĩa mathaa merĩ ndagĩka 5 na sekondi 54, na Chebet nowe wahotete ihenya rĩrĩ mũhetũku kĩhotire kũhota Eliud Kipchoge ũrĩa uma namba thĩinĩ wa ihenya rĩu, na kĩrĩa uma namba 2 nĩ wa kuma Gay ahotire na kana mathaa merĩ ndagĩka 6, nake Kipruto akĩoya na mathaa merĩ ndagĩka na sekondi 6. Chebet niwe ũhotire marathon gũkũ kũrĩa twamũkĩre ya na ihinda-inĩ rĩrĩ ihinda rĩtarĩ kũnene rĩrĩ ihenya rĩrĩa rĩragĩthiĩ menya no rĩngĩ makorwo Evans Chebet niwe wahotana ihenya rĩa Boston Marathon mwena wa arume na ihinda rĩa mathaa merĩ ndagĩka 5 na sekondi 54, akĩrũmĩrĩrwo nĩ Gabriel Gay wa kuma bũrũri-inĩ wa igĩrĩkana ũrĩa warĩkia arĩ namba mathaa merĩ na ndagĩka 6 na sekondi 4, akĩrũmĩrĩrwo nĩ Benson Kipruto wa kuma gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ wa Kenya arĩ ũrĩa warĩkia na ihinda rĩa mathaa merĩ ndagĩka 6 sekondi 6. Ihinda rĩrĩ tũrĩ mwena ya
I'll tell you, watching the leg turnover, I'm impressed with Yeshine. She's comfortable out there. It's like she's really not working as hard as she's late stage of the race. Look at her. She's
and surge and looking over her shoulder to see who covers that move.
Yeshine does.
And Saltpeter. Can she stay with this group? Boriso, Obiri, and Yeshine, and listen to the crowd embrace them here.
They are dropping Saltpeter. If the pace does not slow down, I think she's going to have trouble catching up with it. Obiri with her. Look, whoops, my goodness. You see, it's just a tactic. You, as much as you can. Who's got speed? Who do I have to?
Well, there's really no with this camera angle, but Bariso almost looks like she's in an all-out sprint trying to stay with Obiri, as Yeshine has now fallen off the back in third.
Look at Obiri. When you've got 5,000-meter championship speed, you are very fast at shorter distances. When you're that way late in a race, that speed makes a difference in winning and finishing second or third. Not surprised. Her from her last race. When you go back and look at faded and that training when you're 1,000 meters short of kilometers per. Now see her, she's got other gears left here, and she's trying to so.
Look back position with the American Emma Bates, now benefiting perhaps from two runners, Salpeter and Yeshine, who are falling off the back there, and there's still that opportunity to think about a podium finish perhaps, but there's not a lot of real estate left here as they'll come under Com Avenue and into the closing stretches of this 2023 Boston Marathon.
To show you how Obiri, who's kind of cut her teeth, so to speak, on 5,000-meter running and even shorter distances, there she's pulling away. Crank it up. Just breaks people. You can use the three move. Somebody's got another gear. It's really difficult to. Going back to 20 at the World Championships, she got the shorter abilities that she's got and the training she's doing out now in Colorado. She's moved here to train in the United States.
Looks over both shoulders, and now the right turn onto Hereford.
Look at that stride. That's a track stride. That's what that is. It's not short, choppy. It's a long, powerful stride that she's got.
Bariso now on Hereford. And no sign. And 9
Great
deep.
angle.
Around here. Here comes the turn onto Boylston Street for Helen Obiri.
Now, she can let her stride out even more because completely downhill. Eat up the made her lead a bit.
Up a pair after Morocco, who started as Obiri now being embraced by this crowd. And remember again, Larry, she wasn't afforded an opportunity to even be in this elite field until there was a late scratch in the race. That door opened, and picking up her stride, Helen Obiri trying to close in on not only her first marathon win, but an win in Boston.
If you're an elite athlete coordinator in Boston, Chicago, all the rest, you might invite 25 athletes, let's say. Asking people in. Obiri was
marathon ina mbere Mukenya Helen Obiri mo Ethiopia na no tugukorwo tugikireria reke twambe tumurike maundu mangi maria makihanikite guku bururi-ini. Andu angi 7 ni mahonokirio ni aikari magitongorio ni MCA wa Mwindi igoti kiro turorete karurigi-ini reke twambe tuone Mukenya Helen Obiri ni gukorwo ni akihotana. Uguo niguo gukihana kuria imwe kwa imwe kuria Boston Marathon, na Mukenya Helen Obiri ni akorwo akihotana ihenya riu ria atumia. Kenya ni akorwo mwena wa atumia thini wa ihenya rĩa Boston Marathon, mwena wa arume ũgĩtongorio nĩ Evans Chebea wakĩhota ihenya rĩu, naguo mwena wa atumia ũgĩtongorio nĩ Helen Obiri.
Some personal bests, and they ran the second half faster than they ran the first half.
And look at Helen through Colorado.
Dathan Ritzenheim deserves a great deal of credit.
Bates finishing 2 seconds back. Winning time. It's a new lifetime best for her, but the emotion here for Helen Obiri.
You know, I said to myself about this woman, if she's in the race, she is, because of her speed. World cross country champion is Helen Obiri as well. She's won everything at shorter distances and has all of the accoutrements to be a great marathoner, and Dathan Ritzenheim and the other team of athletes she trains with have brought that talent out with her.
And Emma's one of the
na kuria mwena wa Boston, maundu uria makikorwo makihanika o ihinda ikuhe na no maragithie na mbere na kuhanika. Ni tuko tugithie na mbere na kurumana na uria maundu magitinda makihanika megemainie na ihenya riu ria Boston Marathon, na thiini wa riboti citu iria cikurumirira kana mohoro maitu maria mekurumirira ni tuko tugikurehera na njira ya urikiru niguo tukimenye niki githire na mbere makiria muno hari mwena wa Eliud Kipchoge uria ugutanyitwo ne gukorwo agitongoria ihenya riu no akinyita kana arikia ari wa gatandatu. Reke tumulike riboti ingi. Andu angi 7 ni mahonoketio ni aikari magitongorio ni MCA wa mwena wa Malindi kuma dini ya Shakahola makeima kuria riri mutongoria wa dini ino Paul Mackenzie akinyirio igoti-ini. 7 aya mahonokirio utuku wa ira kana marahonokirio utuku wa ira na maratoro ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Malindi. Maabitha borithi ni mahoire igoti Mackenzie ahingirwo thikũ ingĩ 30 niguo ahote gutabania kana mahote gutabania uthuthuria, no igoti rĩa muhe thikũ 14.
Wa kiumia kĩhĩtũku, maabitha a borithi mwena wa Malindi kaunti-inĩ ya Kilifi ni mahithuririe mĩĩrĩ ya andũ ana makĩhonokio thutha wa gũkorwo dini-inĩ mehinge kuria. Angĩ 7 ni marahonokirio mĩhang'o-inĩ ĩrĩa iratongoririo ni MCA wa mwena ũcio na gũtwarwo ceceni borithi ya Malindi.
Na wale ambao tuliwaleta juzi wiki iliyopita fungu nyuma guu wao sasa, kama pengine wanaweza kuninia hata kushikwa koo na kunyongwa na kumalizwa pale. Kwa hivyo, halafu cha kushangaza ni kwamba kama ni ugaidi sahihi watofanya pale ugaidi, kwa sababu hawa ambao tumewaleta sahihi wamesema kwamba juzi waliingia juzi na wamepokonywa kila kitu.
Jamaa tulipata jamaa 10 wameingia kwa msitu hivi, wana mapanga, kila mmoja anapanga. Sasa walipoona polisi ndio wakazima.
Family cia andu aya amwe ao kuma icigo ingĩ ni mekinyirie ceceni-inĩ ĩno. Itanya rĩao alikuwa na endwa ao makiuga maramonire nyũmba-inĩ cia mohoro thutha wao kũhonokio.
Hii kitu ilitokea wakati bibi yangu alianza kuangalia kwa TV 2019. Akaanza kuangalia hii kitu kwa TV ya mambo ya Mackenzie. Kuangalia kwa mambo ya Mackenzie akasema hii ndio kanisa ile mzuri ataingia. Sasa kutoka wakati huo bibi akatoroka na watoto 3.
Na dadangu amenifuata mimi. Anaitwa Mariam Juma Chea, yeye ni mshirika wa huyu Pastor Mackenzie. Ilipopata hii habari ya hiyo maombi ya 40 days kwamba wanaomba na wale wengine wameshaoaga dunia, ndio nikaja hapa ili kutafuta. Kaona mwili wake hayuko pale, wale ambao mahututi hayuko.
Mutongoria wa dini ĩno Paul Mackenzie ni akinyirio igoti-inĩ ari hamwe na arũmĩrĩri ake, kuria maabitha a borithi maikirie ihoya ahingĩrĩrio kwa ihinda rĩa thikũ 30 nĩguo kũhe kanya ũthuthuria, no igoti rĩakinyanĩria kũmũhingira thikũ 14.
Court finds compelling reasons to allow police to continue holding the suspects that are before the court for more days until they complete investigations. For that reason, the court shall order as follows. Suspect number 1, Paul Ndenge Mackenzie, and a police bond that the court had earlier issued and directed that he be released pending the investigations is hereby cancelled. Number 2, suspects 1 to 7 to remain in police custody for 14 days pending the completion of the investigations. 30 days is too much, so you take 14.
Maabitha a ũthuthuria nĩ maratanywo gũthikũria mĩĩrĩ ya ciana 2 iria ciarekanire ciakuire thutha wa kwĩmwo irio nĩ aciari ao arĩa nĩ arũmĩrĩri a ndini ya Mackenzie. Cira-inĩ ũcio, Mackenzie arekereirio na bodi ya ciringi 10,000 ũkĩrĩkana gũtiarĩ na wĩira wa kũmũhingũrĩra thitango.
Na rĩu tũkwamba gũikĩrio ro hanini nĩ tũkorwo tũgĩcokereria thutha wa ihinda rĩtarĩ coho tũrĩ na riboti ingĩ, ndũgathengie mũtambo.
Maya nĩ mohoro ma Kameme TV.
Cheza kama wewe na cheza sita. Wehotanire nginyagia maita 5,000 ma beti yaku teke. Yes, ni uhuthu. Hihinya *675# uthake na namba 6 cia munyaka kuuma 1 nginya 6. Ikira muigana wa beti yaku kuma 50 tu wehotanire nginyagia maita 5,000 hau. Cheza kama wewe na cheza sita. Wigire mweke muhari miekene ya gutuika muhotani. Hihinya *675# uthake o riu. Mundu utakinyetie miaka 18 ndagathake. Thaka na uigiririki. Itangatho riri ni rihitukie ni BCLB.
Hii April usiwachwe nyuma. Burudika na StarTimes Kichampes. Unmissable sports action. Catch all the heat at the Confederations Cup, the pomp and color of the CAF Champions League. Recharge your monthly subscription today and get upgraded to the next high bouquet to enjoy exciting entertainment. Watch CR7 dazzle in the Saudi Pro League. Italy's best battle it out for the Coppa Italia Cup.
Strike it from there!
And who will win the Bundesliga title?
To finish!
Recharge your monthly subscription today and get upgraded to the next high bouquet. Burudika na StarTimes. On the road, link your decoder to the StarTimes On app to make sure you don't miss a moment of your favorite team's sporting action.